said noise.
But it's the way the wind catches the thing, and it's something to do with how the wind gets into the window, and I can't fix it.
It's really annoying.
I know, I'm sorry. It's going to be a long trip, isn't it?
Okay, I've been watching for patterns. You know, that's me, Mr. Pattern Guy. Your little rubber antenna does this cavitation thing. It just goes, whoa.
Yeah, it's doing. Maybe it's the antenna.
I have a thought. When we stop next, let's take the antenna off. Do you hear that? To stop now.
Okay, let's stop.
Thank you. I think I know what it is. So the seal from the door is not tight against the rubber weather stripping on your door frame, and that's what's causing the whistle. I've got an idea.
Alright, we got a town coming up in about 20 miles. We'll stop somewhere and see if that fixes it. Will that make you happy?
Yeah. Lowe's or something like that.
Okay, we'll do it.
Okay. Are we there yet?
No, it's just down the road. We'll be there in a few minutes.
You like Clint Eastwood movies? I just want to let you know, this truck is stopping in TUCUMCARI.
Okay, we'll stop.
Okay.
Well, we're at Lowe's.
This is a grocery store.
I know. I don't understand. Let me take a picture of this.
There better be a hardware store really close.
Okay. Let's see what that does.
Well, I'm happy we fixed it.
No. Now I'm starting to hear it over here. Well, you fixed it over there, but now it's moved over here. I have never heard it in this window before.
Not my problem.
Find a hardware store on the GPS. Okay, I got it going the speed limit. I'm going as fast as we normally go. I don't hear anything. Do you hear anything?
I don't hear anything.
Finally got it after 3 different things.
I beat the Toyota.
I'm happy. James is happy.
Doesn't get much better than that.
And I got my whistle fixed.
You got your whistle fixed. Well, that's kind of between you and your doctor.
I'm Scott Moore, and I'm a performance engineer. I help to make software and applications faster, better, more resilient. Join me as we take the performance tour.